Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless power tools, showcasing 15 of the coolest gadgets that will take your projects to the next level. From precision drilling to heavy-duty cutting, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest in cordless innovation. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's explore these must-have tools.
Number 1. The PorterCable 20-volt oscillating tool with 11-piece accessories is a versatile and powerful addition to any toolkit. Its two-finger tool-free system allows for quick and easy adjustment of accessories, saving time and hassle. With a variable speed dial offering 8,000 to 18,000 OPM, precise control is achievable across various applications. The built-in LED work light enhances visibility in darkened work conditions, ensuring accuracy and safety. Comfort is prioritized with a 3-position overmold grip, reducing vibration and fatigue during extended use. Part of the 20-volt Max system, it provides high-performance cordless operation, granting flexibility and freedom to work anywhere. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this oscillating tool combines power, versatility, and convenience to deliver exceptional performance in a wide range of tasks. Number 2. The Chemo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set offers exceptional performance and convenience for various applications. With a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds, at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger, it rivals air ratchets without the hassle of cords or noisy air hoses. Weighing just 2.2 pounds. With a battery and featuring an ultra-slim head design, it easily reaches tight spots, making it perfect for auto maintenance, construction, or home repairs. The built-in LED illuminates the work area, while the onboard fuel gauge displays remaining runtime. 2 pieces of rubber increase comfort and withstand corrosive materials. The set includes 2 1000 charge cycle 12-volt 2.0 Chemo power batteries, a 60-minute fast charger, a BMC case, 7 sockets, and a 3/8" to a 1/4" drive adapter, providing everything needed for efficient ratchet wrench work. Experience power, reliability, and convenience with the Chemo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. Number 3. The Hoto Cordless Brushless Drill 12-volt offers a new level of intelligent interaction and ergonomic design, making it suitable for both novices and professionals alike. With digital torque adjustment and a display that shows 30 gears, battery power, and modes, it provides precise control and versatility for various tasks. The pulse mode ensures safety by intermittently starting and stopping the drill to prevent user injury. Its premium minimalist design, recognized with the 2022 IF Design Award, features a matte finish and ergonomic handle for comfortable handling. The innovative USB-C charging allows for convenient charging anywhere, while the built-in battery design makes it lightweight and easy to handle. Despite its compact size and lightweight design, this drill packs a punch with a brushless motor and 2000 mAh battery, providing long battery life and efficient operation. With a speed of up to 1400 RPM, it's perfect for both screw driving and drilling tasks, making it an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The Metabo 18-volt cordless miter saw sets a new standard in cordless cutting technology. As the first of its kind in the market, this 18-volt cordless 10-inch single-bevel miter saw offers unparalleled cutting accuracy and versatility. Equipped with an exact cut LED shadow line system, it ensures precise cuts in any lighting condition. With a 52-degree miter capacity to the left and right, as well as a 45-degree left bevel capacity, it allows for compound cuts with ease. Despite its powerful performance, this cordless miter saw weighs just 19.6 pounds, making it incredibly portable without compromising on sturdiness. Powered by an 18-volt and 36-volt 5.0 multi-volt battery, it can tackle up to 182 by 4 cuts on a single charge. Additional features include miter detent stops, an electric brake, a thumb-activated miter lock, and a super-efficient brushless motor capable of 3,800 RPM. With its large extendable rip fence, this miter saw is equipped to handle even the largest workpieces with precision and ease. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Metabo 18-volt cordless miter saw offers the perfect combination of power, portability, and cutting accuracy for all your woodworking needs. Number 5. Introducing the Metabo Cordless 18-volt Straight Finish Nailer Kit. Now equipped with the 2.0 18-volt battery featuring a convenient fuel gauge for easy monitoring of battery life. This versatile tool utilizes an air spring drive system, delivering performance comparable to a pneumatic nailer. With the ability to drive up to 3 nails per second and 0 ramp-up time, you can work faster and more efficiently than ever before. The included compact 18-volt 2.0 battery provides long-lasting power, allowing for up to 950 nails per charge. Say goodbye to the hassle of refilling air tanks. The Metabo cordless straight finish nailer requires no ramp-up time, resulting in faster action and increased productivity. Accepting 16-gauge straight finish nails ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inch, this nailer is suitable for a wide range of applications. Powered by brushless motor technology, this nailer offers longer run time per charge, reduced maintenance, and enhanced durability. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Metabo cordless 18-volt straight finish nailer kit is the perfect solution for all your finishing needs. Number 6. Introducing the Metabo 36-volt cordless belt sander, engineered with professional-level ergonomics and touchpoint design to provide unparalleled comfort during extended use. This belt sander offers variable speed control with 6 speed settings, allowing you to tailor the sanding level to match the specific application. Featuring an innovative auto mode setting, this sander adjusts its speed automatically based on the load, effectively reducing vibration and noise for a smoother sanding experience. Powered by a brushless motor, the sander delivers higher efficiency, increased run time, and longer tool life, ensuring optimal performance job after job. For added convenience, the Metabo cordless belt sander is equipped with an ambidextrous lock-on button, enabling continuous operation without the need to continuously hold down the trigger. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this cordless belt sander provides the power, versatility, and comfort needed to tackle any sanding task with ease. Number 7. The Czi Cordless Cocking Gun is perfect for use with all standard 10 ounces per 300 milliliter sealant and adhesive cartridges, providing convenience and efficiency for various caulking applications. Designed to save your hands and muscles, this caulking gun is ideal for long or medium runs of caulking, such as installing multiple windows or doors, or tackling large bathroom projects with a bathtub, shower stall, jacuzzi, or hot tub. Say goodbye to sore hands and constant squeezing with manual caulking guns. The motor of the caulking gun features an auto-retract system that prevents caulk from continuing to leak out during a stoppage. When the trigger is released, the motor momentarily goes into reverse, releasing pressure on the tube and allowing for a cleaner bead of caulk. The included needle can be used to pierce the seal inside the tube before caulking, further ensuring a clean application. Included with the caulking gun are 2 2.0 batteries, providing backup power for continuous use. The battery indicator allows you to monitor remaining power and avoid interruptions due to lack of electricity during work. With its powerful support system and convenient features, the Czi Cordless Cocking Gun is a must-have tool for any caulking project. Number 8. The Albin 21-volt cordless impact wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed to make your work easier and more efficient. With its powerful 21-volt engine delivering a maximum torque of 400 Nm and a speed of up to 3,000 RPM, this impact wrench allows you to tackle tasks with ease, saving you time and effort. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the speed of the impact wrench according to your needs. Simply press the button to increase the speed and release it to stop the wrench immediately. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from daily car maintenance to large-scale construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, and product assembly. Equipped with a 4.0 battery, the Albin cordless impact wrench provides ample power for extended use without worrying about losing power midway through your work. The battery can be fully charged in hours using the included fast charger, ensuring that you can keep working without interruptions and increasing work efficiency. With its powerful engine, variable speed control, and long-lasting battery, the Albin 21-volt cordless impact wrench is the perfect tool for any task that requires high torque and speed. Plus, it comes with 6 pieces driver sockets and a convenient tool bag for added convenience and portability. Number 9. The Bosch GWG 12V 20SB 23 12-volt Max Brushless a 1/4-inch right-angle die grinder kit is a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance user experience and performance in grinding applications. Featuring an innovative user interface and speed buttons, this grinder provides real-time status updates on tool, battery and speed settings, giving users precise control over their grinding tasks. With 5 speed options conveniently accessible at your fingertips, you can tailor the grinder's performance to suit your needs. Equipped with a variable speed trigger, the grinder ensures that users remain in control across a variety of grinding applications. Its compact design offers a small grip size, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, while its lightweight and ergonomic construction help reduce fatigue and maximize productivity during extended use. The spindle lock feature enables quick and effortless accessory swaps, enhancing efficiency on the job. Powered by a brushless motor, the grinder maximizes battery runtime, ensuring prolonged operation in demanding applications. Additionally, constant electronics ensure uniform performance, even at the highest speed levels, while overload protection turns off the tool in case of a bind, ensuring user safety and tool longevity. Number 10. The Bosch GWG V34 N18V Brushless Starlock Plus Oscillating Multi-Tool offers an upgraded user experience, improved cutting performance, and exceptional blade grip. Its Starlock 3D tool accessory interface provides a 3-dimensional blade grip for superior torque transfer and enables accessory changes up to 8 times faster compared to the Bosch standard OIS interface. With a redesigned handle and rotated battery position, this oscillating multi-tool offers enhanced user handling and convenience, particularly during flush cutting tasks. Vibration control technology reduces vibration by up to 80% compared to the previous generation Bosch 18V multi-tool, ensuring smoother operation and less user fatigue. The slim grip design provides increased comfort and control, while the brushless motor delivers corded-like performance in terms of power and speed. With a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute and an improved cutting angle of 3.4 degrees, this multi-tool enhances cutting efficiency, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Number 11. The WorkPro 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit offers remarkable power despite its cordless design. Powered by a 2.0 lithium-ion battery, the 12V motor enables quick and efficient sanding, grinding, and cutting tasks. With 5 selectable speeds ranging from 7,500 to 32,000 RPM, users can easily adjust the tool to suit the specific requirements of their project. This rotary toolkit includes a total of 114 accessories, featuring grinding stones, sanding pads, felt wheels, mandrels, and more, with 2 sizes, 3/32 and 1/8 of universal chuck. Changing accessories is quick and hassle-free. The wide variety of accessories makes it an ideal choice for crafters working with various materials, and all accessories can be neatly stored in the included plastic case. Compact and lightweight, the rotary tool weighs just 1.38 pounds and measures only 10 inches in length, offering excellent maneuverability and convenience. Equipped with a hook for hanging, users can effortlessly suspend the tool during long hours of work, reducing fatigue. Additionally, the tool produces minimal vibration and noise, ensuring a comfortable working experience without the annoyance of buzzing hands.
Number 12. The Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder, small, 4 to 2 inch, is a high-performance tool designed for aggressive applications. Powered by a robust 8,500 RPM motor, this angle grinder delivers the power and speed necessary to tackle tough tasks with ease. Equipped with a cast metal gear housing, the grinder effectively dissipates heat during extended use, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The tool-free guard position offers flexibility in application, allowing for quick and easy adjustments as needed. For added control and versatility, the angle grinder features a 3-position handle, allowing users to customize their grip for maximum comfort and precision. The contoured over-molded handle further enhances comfort during operation, reducing fatigue and improving overall user experience. Whether you're grinding, cutting, or polishing, the Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder provides the performance, durability, and comfort you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Number 13. The Craftsman V20 Cordless Multi-Use Garden Toolkit offers power and performance for a variety of gardening tasks. With the capability to dig up to 165 holes per charge and up to 25 holes per minute, this tool provides efficient operation, allowing you to complete your gardening projects quickly and effectively. This garden toolkit is designed to dig holes up to 3 times faster than a manual planter. saving you time and effort in your gardening endeavors. Additionally, it features an auxiliary handle with left and right placement options, along with a third gripping surface, providing versatility and comfort for users of all handedness. Whether you're planting flowers, shrubs, or vegetables, the Craftsman V20 Cordless Multi-Use Garden Toolkit offers the power, efficiency, and ergonomic design needed to tackle various gardening tasks with ease.
Number 14. The Greenworks 24-volt 7-1/4-inch circular saw brushless cordless is a powerful and durable tool designed to handle a variety of cutting applications with ease. Powered by a Greenworks 24-volt 4A battery, this circular saw provides more power and longer runtime compared to many other 20-volt and 18-volt tools. Its brushless motor delivers up to 4,500 RPM, allowing for aggressive cuts through various materials. With a cut capacity of 0 to 50 degrees bevel angle, this circular saw offers versatility for different cutting tasks. It has a large cutting capacity of 1 11/16 inches at 50 degrees and 2.5 inches at 0 degrees, accommodating a wide range of materials. Featuring a built-in LED light, the circular saw illuminates your workspace for improved visibility, while the included dust port allows for connection to a vacuum for better dust extraction. Designed with safety in mind, this circular saw is equipped with an electric brake that stops the blade immediately after the trigger is released, enhancing user safety. Additionally, the double safe switch further enhances safety during operation. Number 15. The Metabo HPT 18-volt multi-volt cordless 5-inch random orbit sander offers top-tier sanding performance, making it the best in its class. Equipped with a brushless motor, this sander ensures higher efficiency, increased runtime, and an extended tool life, providing reliable performance over time. Featuring an electric brake, this sander offers quick braking for increased productivity, allowing for seamless transitions between sanding tasks. Despite its powerful performance, this sander is lightweight, weighing only 2.6 pounds. Before the battery is added, making it easy to handle and maneuver during extended use. The Metabo HPT cordless random orbit sander includes 2 sanding pads, a dust bag, a 1 to 3/8 inch dust port, a 1 to 1/2 inch collection adapter, and a 1 to 3/4 inch dust collection adapter, providing everything you need for efficient and effective sanding tasks. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this sander delivers exceptional performance and versatility for a wide range of sanding applications.